Alright, what's up guys? So, today we are gonna put the bike back together. It's a long story. I ordered a carb kit, ordered two, only one showed up, and it's the wrong carb kit. So, I've been cleaning the carb kit, I've been like soaking in carb cleaner since we've taken it apart. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean the main jets, which you have to press out, but I'm not gonna press them out. I was waiting to press them out because if I damage them, then at least I have the new ones. But what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to clean it very good, and I'm actually gonna go and put a sewing needle through it and try and clean it up. Maybe use some thread and try and scrape all that gunk out in there. But this is what they look like, and they are very, very clean, as you can see. She's like brand new. So I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna clean it a little bit more, and then we're gonna start putting it all back together. Everything's still right here. Put it all back together and try and throw her in. And then I have a new Petcock upstairs that we are also gonna put in because it is vacuum actuated and it is not just a normal one that we replaced. I believe that it acts as a breather and allows the flow of fuel to flow faster, and which may be the issue on why the bike isn't running so well. So we're gonna do all that today. I'm gonna throw some gloves on right now. Got my sewing needle and stuff there, and we're gonna start cleaning it. Okay, so the carb is all put back together. Everything is clean in there. So now I have to grab the little couplers, one's there, one's on the other side, and get ready to put them in. So after what feels like forever, the carb is in, the throttle is hooked up, the choke is hooked up on the other side. These little 10mm bolts are a pain. I am so unbelievably tired right now. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the carb at least hooked up today. I have the intake pieces to put on and the fuel lines. And then tomorrow we'll put in the new Petcock and start her up. And hopefully she runs better. So I will get to finishing up all the other stuff on the carb, and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so the carb's on. The intake piping or tubing on both sides is done. The fuel line is hooked up. Obviously there's no gas tank, so there's not going to be any fuel to it. That's all I'm going to do for today, because tomorrow I have to put the Petcock on, sorry. And then the reason why I'm not putting the air filter on right now is because I'm probably going to use this vacuum line to run to the Petcock, because it looks like if I run it straight through there, it'll be better than trying to angle it down and around and then to this and then like up and over to this one with this fuel line in the way. So that's probably what I'm going to do. And then I have to tip that over upside down and put the new Petcock on, and then throw the battery in, and then we can try her out and see if anything's better. So I'm super exhausted right now. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? So we are gonna throw that Petcock on the gas tank, and we're gonna throw the gas tank and the battery on and see if she starts up. So all we have to do is we have to flip the tank upside down because it's full of gas. So that way when we pull the Petcock off, it won't leak all over the floor. I'll probably have to bring it over here. And then this is the new Petcock. This is some line. Let me get this out here. Voila, Petcock. This is for the fuel line. This is the vacuum line. So this looks a bit smaller than the size that we have on here. Actually, no, that looks about the same. So we might be able to get away with the fuel line that's already on there. If not, we might have to use this, which is cool because it's green, fancy. It also came with a fuel filter, which we already have on there, so we won't need that. So, oh no, and there seems to be a missing gasket. I'll have to figure that out. But let's get to it. Let's do it up. Okay, so it leaked a little bit on the table, but the new Petcock is on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw the tank on, at least the front part, and get that line hooked up. And then we're gonna get the vacuum line hooked up, so that way it'll properly work. All right, so we got the air box on. We have fuel line hooked up, vacuum line hooked up. We just gotta throw the battery in and then cross our fingers that this is fixed and she runs perfectly fine. So I'm gonna throw the battery in and then we can try starting her. Running and sounds so much better. Alright, as you guys saw, she ran sweet, super responsive on the throttle, freaking starts up right away. I am so happy. I can't believe, like, part of me, all of me just can't really believe that it worked right now. So I think that's what where I'm gonna leave it today. I think we're gonna adjust the fuel mixture screws probably later on this week, just because it's, again, as you can see, it's late. I've been doing this stuff after work, trying to get the bike ready for the summer. So we have it running, we just need, I'm pretty sure the battery's getting weak, so we might need to throw it on a charger or something. Yeah, and then we just need to adjust those mixture bowls, and once we do that, she should be good to go. And then we can actually start riding her, and I'm so excited because I honestly thought this was gonna be a lot more of a headache than it was, and turns out she just needed a cleaning and a proper Petcock. So I hope you guys like this video. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.